If you think superheroes only exist in comic books, think again. Out in the wild, there are real-life creatures with abilities so incredible, they make our best sci-fi movies look ordinary. I'm talking about animals that can punch with the force of a bullet, survive outer space, regrow lost body parts, and even cheat death itself. These abilities aren't just cool party tricks, they're the result of millions of years of evolution, fine-tuning these creatures into nature's ultimate survivors. And here's the kicker. Scientists are still trying to fully understand how some of them work. So get ready, because today, we're counting down 6 animals with mind-blowing superpowers. And trust me, when we get to number 4, you'll see why it's considered one of the toughest creatures to ever live on Earth, or anywhere else. 1. Mantis Shrimp's Bullet Punch. Our first animal is a small but deadly marine assassin, the mantis shrimp. This colorful crustacean has claws that can punch at speeds of over 80 kilometers per hour, accelerating faster than a .22 caliber bullet. That punch is so powerful, it can shatter aquarium glass and crack open hard shells like they're nothing. And here's the science. When it strikes, it creates tiny bubbles that collapse with a flash of light and heat almost as hot as the surface of the sun. So technically, it's punching twice, once physically and once with a shockwave. In the ocean, this makes the mantis shrimp one of the most feared predators per pound. Second, axolotl's regeneration. Next up is the axolotl, also known as the Mexican walking fish, although it's actually an amphibian. While most animals can heal wounds, the axolotl can regenerate entire body parts: legs, spinal cord, tail, even parts of its heart and brain. And here's what's even crazier. It doesn't leave any scars. Scientists are studying axolotls in the hope of applying their regenerative abilities to human medicine one day. Imagine a future where a lost limb could simply grow back. For the axolotl, that's just everyday life. 3. Tardigrade, the space survivor. Now meet the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. It may be microscopic, but it's one of the toughest creatures on Earth. Tardigrades can survive extreme heat, freezing cold, crushing pressure, and even the vacuum of space. When conditions get too harsh, they curl into a dry, dormant ball called a ton, slowing their metabolism to almost zero. In this state, they can survive for decades without food or water. They've even been sent into outer space, exposed to radiation, and came back just fine. Talk about resilience. 4. Immortal jellyfish. At number 4 is a creature that has literally found a way to avoid death. The immortal jellyfish, or Turritopsis dohrnii. When faced with injury or old age, this jellyfish can revert its cells back to a younger stage, essentially starting its life cycle all over again. In theory, this means it could live forever. Though in the wild, predators and disease still get to it. But the biological trick it uses has scientists wondering, could this be a clue to slowing human aging one day? 5. Electric eel's shock. The electric eel is like nature's living taser. It can generate electric shocks of up to 600 volts, enough to stun prey, deter predators, and even knock a horse off its feet. These eels use their electrical ability not just for defense, but also as a hunting tool, sending out pulses to detect movement in murky waters. And here's the kicker. They can control the voltage depending on whether they're trying to kill or just communicate. 6. Pistol shrimp's sonic weapon. Last on the list is the pistol shrimp, a tiny crustacean with an incredible weapon. By snapping its claw shut at lightning speed, it creates a bubble that bursts with a sound so loud it can stun or even kill small fish. The temperature inside the bubble briefly reaches thousands of degrees, almost as hot as the sun's surface. And all of this comes from a creature just a few centimeters long. It's proof that in nature, size doesn't always determine power. And that's our list. 6 animals with abilities so extraordinary, they could easily star in their own superhero movies. From bullet speed punches to actual immortality, these creatures are living proof that evolution can produce powers beyond our imagination. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these animal superpowers would you want to have? Regeneration, like the axolotl? Surviving space, like the tardigrade? or maybe delivering a knockout punch like the mantis shrimp? Let me know in the comments. And if you love discovering these real-life animal superheroes, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and turn on the notification bell, because next time we're diving into the strangest mysteries of the human brain.